Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick repair story about the trophy-shaped rechargeable LED table lamp with remote control. It was completely dead, but I managed to bring it back to life. This lamp could be turned on and off the remote and even change colors, but unfortunately it stopped working, so I opened it up and inside I found that the 18650 battery was completely dead. I replaced good one and the lamp powered on. But there was another issue. Power switch wasn't working properly. When I pressed, the lamp stayed on, but as soon as I released it turned off again. I didn't have a replacement switch, so I opened the existing one, clean it with sandpaper and WD-40 and reassemble it. Good news. The switch started working perfectly. Now, the remote control was still a problem. I checked the battery, it was fine, but the carbon trace on the PCB were worn out and damaged it many places. Some buttons weren't responding at all. I repaired the on-off button by rewiring it with a thin jumper wire, and now I can turn the lamp on and off with the remote. A few color changing buttons are still not working, but most of the important functions are back. Since this is not an expensive item, I won't spend any more time fixing every single button on the remote. It was completely dead before. Now the lamp works and most of the remote keys are functional. So I will consider this repair successful. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I hope you enjoyed this little repair journey. See you again in the next video. Take care and keep fixing.